Hello friends, welcome to all of you in Dr. Jaggi's Academy. In my last video, I have already discussed the 5 methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Number 1 is oxidation of primary alcohol. Second is oxidation of the alkyl benzene. Third one is oxidation of aldehyde. Fourth one is carbonation of the Grignard reagent. And fifth one is the hydrolysis of cyanide. So in this video, I will discuss the remaining, that is a 5 method of preparation of carboxylic acid. Number 1 is malonic ester synthesis. So this is a malonic acid synthesis. In this reaction, actually the malonic acid is converted into a mono or dialkyl acetic acid. So in this reaction, we are used, that is a malonic ester as a main reactant. So that is why this reaction is known as malonic ester synthesis. So what is the malonic acid? So how does it form? So malonic acid, this one is malonic acid, CH2COOH and COOH. So how does the ester is formed from malonic acid? After the replacing of this is 2 hydrogen atom with the alkyl group. This is CH2COO. Here alkyl group is the ethyl. So in this case COO C2H5. So here we get a ester. This is a function group COOR. So that is why this is known as malonic ester. So which is a main reactant in this reaction. So in this reaction take place in a various steps. In the first step we have a malonic ester that react with the sodium ethoxide. So in this case, that is as we know that sodium metal acquire positive charge and this is the ethoxide acquire the negative charge. So when it comes closer to the malonic ester, so in this case here we have a 2 ionizable hydrogen atom. When it comes close to this malonic acid, then this ethanoic oxide, they obstruct this hydrogen from the malonic acid. So when it obstructs the H positive, then it will eliminate in the form of ethyl alcohol. So C2H5OH. So when it obstructs then there is a migration of this carbon hydrogen sigma electron toward the carbon. So in this case carbon acquires a negative charge and we get a reactant is CH negative, COO C2H5 and COO C2H5. So in this case this positive they attach to this carbon negative. So in this case we get a sodium salt of, this is a malonic ester. So this is known as sodium-malonic ester. This sodium malonic acid, they are further react with the alkyl halide. Again, so in this case, this one is carboanion, which act as a nucleophile. Nucleophile means it has tendency to attack on an electron deficient site. So in this case, as we know that halide group is more electron withdrawing group, so it withdraw the electron toward itself, acquire negative charge, where alkyl group acquire positive charge. And this carboanion, they are attached to this alkyl group. Whereas sodium and X, they are combined and eliminate in the form of NaX. So we get a product. This is R, H, this is COO C2H5, again COO C2H5. So this is a monoalkyl malonic ester. So as we know that malonic ester has 2 ionizable hydrogen atom. So one of the hydrogen atom is replaced with the alkyl group. So this is a monoalkyl malonic ester. This malonic acid has contain the another ionizable hydrogen atom. So it can further react with sodium ethoxide. So when it react with again sodium ethoxide, again this ethoxide again obstruct the H positive, and there is a migration of carbon hydrogen sigma electron toward the carbon, and this is the H, they are combined with OC2H5 and eliminate in the form of C2H5OH. So after this reaction we get, this is a C negative, again it containing a R group, again COO C2H5, this one is COO C2H5. So in this case this is a negative charge, and this sodium they are combined with this carboanion. Again this is a sodium salt of monoalkyl malonic acid. This monoalkyl molecule again act as a nucleophile. So again it has tendency to react with the electron deficient side. So in this case I am taking R dash X. R or R dash may be same or different. So again this one is carbanion, they attack on this R, and there is a shifting of electron toward the halide group. So we get a R dash COO C2H5, again COO C2H5. So this is in this case both the hydrogen atom of the malonic acid, they are replaced by the alkyl group. So this is known as dialkyl malonic acid, malonic ester. So in this case we are convert first malonic ester to monoalkyl malonic acid or dialkyl malonic acid by replacing the one hydrogen atom with the alkyl group and by replacing both the hydrogen atom with the alkyl group. So how do we convert into a mono or dialkyl acetic acid? So in this case we can form the monoalkyl acetic acid by reacting the monoalkyl malonic acid with hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide. So in this case of, there is a breakage of bond, and again this one. So this two ethyl group, they are eliminate, they are combined with OH negative and eliminate in the form of ethyl alcohol, and these two sodium, they are attached to the ester COO group, means ethyl group is replaced by the two sodium atom. So we get a R H COONA and COONA. Again this is a sodium salt of monoalkyl malonic acid. Further it undergo hydrolysis or acidification in the presence of HCl. Then this chlorine, they are combined with sodium and eliminate in the form of sodium chloride, and sodium ion is replaced with the H positive ion. So we get a R CRH COOH COH. So this is a monoalkyl malonic acid. On heating above its melting point, so there is a loss of carbon dioxide. So after the loss of carbon dioxide we get R CH COO CH, and this H1 is CH2. So this is a monoalkyl acetic acid. We get a monoalkyl malonic acid is converted into a monoalkyl acetic acid. So we can also form the dialkyl acetic acid, which is from, we can prepare the dialkyl acetic acid from the dialkyl malonic acid. Again further So how do we convert the dialkyl acetic acid from ester? Again, same step. First is the hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide, then acidification followed by the loss of carbon dioxide. So first hydrolysis in the presence of sodium hydroxide. So in this case of CrCOO sodium with the loss of 2 molecule of ethyl alcohol. Again HCl, 2 molecule acidification. So sodium ion they are replaced with the H positive. So we get a di-substituted malonic acid. Upon heating, loss of carbon dioxide. So we get a this is a COOH. So this is a dialkyl acetic acid. So in this reaction we convert the malonic ester to the monoalkyl acetic acid and dialkyl acetic acid. So this is a malonic ester synthesis. Next method of preparation of carboxylic acid is acetoacetic ester synthesis. So this synthesis is similar to the malonic acid synthesis. Only difference is that instead of malonic acid, in this case we use the acetoacetic ester used as a main reactant. So in this case, this reaction is used for converting the acetoacetic acid to mono or dialkyl acetic acid. So it means this reaction is useful for converting the acetoacetic acid to the mono-substituted or di-substituted carboxylic acid. So what is acetoacetic acid and how does it prepare? Actually, it is a derivative of the acetic acid. So here we have a acetic acid. So acetic ester means in this case H group of the acetic acid is replaced with the alkyl group, that is the ethyl. So now this group is aceter. So this is known as acetic ester. So aceto means in this group, this H of the methyl group, one H of the methyl group is replaced with the ketone COCH3. This is the acetone. So this compound is known as aceto. This one is aceto. This is the acetic ester. So this acetoacetic ester is a main reactant in this reaction. So this is CH3CO, CH2, COO, C2H5. So this is a acetoacetic ester. In this reaction, this acetoacetic ester, they are react with the sodium ethoxide. So in this case, it has a 2 ionizable hydrogen atom, similar with the malonic acid. So when it reacts with sodium ethoxide, then sodium ethoxide means this one negative part and this one is positive part. This is a oxide, ethoxide, they abstract the one of the ionizable hydrogen atom of the acetoacetic acid to form the carbanion. So in this case we get, this is it abstract, when it abstract then it eliminate in the form of ethyl alcohol. So sodium, when it attack, then there is a shifting of this carbon hydrogen sigma electron toward the carbon to form carbanion, and this carbanion they are combined with the positive sodium metal. So in this case we get a, this is negative HCO CH3 COO C2H5. So this is a sodium salt of, means sodium they are attached to this carbon negative. So this is a sodium salt of acetoacetic ester. This acetoacetic ester. Further it reacts with the alkyl halide. Again this acts as a nucleophile, so it can a tendency to attack with the electron deficient. So in this case This is, as we know, that electron withdrawing group negative, and this one alkyl group is positively. So positive charge means electron deficient, and this carbon negative, they attack to this alkyl group. And halide group and sodium, they are eliminated in the form of sodium halide. So we get the final product is, this is a CH. So in this case R group, COO, C2H5, COO, CH3. So this is a monoalkyl acetoester. Monoalkyl acetoacetic ester. So as we know that it contains another ionizable. So this is second one is again react with the sodium ethoxide. Again in this case we get a this eliminate in the form of, and there is a migration of negative charge. So this carbon acquire negative charge R, COO, C2H5, CO, CH3 along with the sodium. This is sodium salt of monoalkyl acetic acid. It further react with R dash, second alkyl halide. So in this case again this attack with this one, and X group they are eliminated in the form of sodium halide to form RR, COO, C2H5. This is CO. So this is a dialkyl acetoacetic acid. So how to convert the monoalkyl acetoacetic ester to monoalkyl acetic acid? In this reaction, we have a monoalkyl acetoacid. They undergo hydrolysis in the presence of ethyl alcohol and KOH. So in this case, there is the ethyl alcohol eliminate and acetic acid is eliminate, and we get a RCH2COOH. So this is a monoalkyl acetic acid. So this is dialkyl acetoacetic ester that is undergo acid hydrolysis in the presence of KOH, and again we get a, this is CR, this is H, COOH. So this one is dialkyl acetic acid with the elimination of ethyl alcohol plus acetic acid. So this is a acetoacetic ester synthesis for the preparation of mono or dialkyl acetic acid from the acetoacetic ester. Next method of preparation of carboxylic acid is known as undered-ester homoligation. So in this case, this reaction is used for converting the lower carboxylic acid to the next higher homolog carboxylic acid. Means if we have a main reactant is acetic acid, then acetic acid is converted into a propanoic acid. So in this case, there are acetic acid containing 2 carbon atom, whereas propanoic acid is a 3 carbon atom. It means this is a higher carboxylic acid as compared to the starting carboxylic acid. So how does it actually take place? In this case, we have a starting carboxylic acid that react with the thionyl chloride. So when the carboxylic acid is react with the thionyl chloride, then there is a decomposition of thionyl chloride in this manner. This is a Cl, this is SO and Cl. So there is a decomposition of carboxylic acid. So in this case, there is elimination of HCl. Again with the formation of SO2 gas, and this chlorine group is attached to CO group to form the alkyl chloride. This is a acyl chloride. RCOCl. This is a acyl chloride. Again, acyl chloride, they are react with the diazomethane. So in this case, as we know that this is CH2 is the active or methylene group. So H or Cl eliminate in the form of HCl. So this group CH and 2, they are attached to this CO group, carbonyl group. So we get a R, CO, again CH and 2. So this is a diazoketone, and we can write this compound in this manner: RCO, this is CH, again acquired negative charge, whereas N2 is N, there are two nitrogen atoms, they are bonded with triple bond, and in this case this nitrogen acquired the positive charge and carbon acquires the negative charge. Again, this diazoketone, they undergo Wolff's rearrangement in the presence of silver oxide. So there is a, in this case, this N2, this both nitrogen atoms they are eliminated in the form of N2, and this negative charge present, they undergo migrate toward this carbon atom, resulting there is a formation of carbon-carbon double bond, and this alkyl group they migrate to this carbon atom, and we get form this is a ketene. This is a R. R is attached to CH group. Again there is a double bond, and which is attached to carbon oxygen double bond, which further undergo hydrolysis, and we get a hydrolysis means this is a H and OH, and double bond is converted into a single bond, and we get a product, this one. And there is a, again there is a loss of this is a HOH, loss of water. So we get R, CH2, C, this undergoes tautomerism. Tautomerism means rearrangement of this hydrogen shift toward this carbon atom, and there is a formation of double bond. So in this case we get a product CH3H migrate from the CH2, double bond is converted to single bond, and there is a formation of double bond. So in this case we get a higher carboxylic acid as compared from the starting carboxylic group. So this is known as endered-estered homologation. Ninth method of preparation is from alkene. So we have alkene, that is the ethene. They are react with carbon monoxide with the water in the presence of temperatures 573 Kelvin to 673 Kelvin in the presence of phosphorus acid as a catalyst. So in this case, this alkene, they are converted to propanoic acid. This reaction is known as Koch reaction. And last is the method of preparation of carboxylic acid is from the hydrolysis of 1,1,1 trihalide. So here we have a 1,1 trihalide alkyl group which undergo hydrolysis. After reacting with water, there is a loss of, this is a 3 molecule of water. So there is a loss of 3 molecule of HCl, and chlorine group is replaced with the OH group. So we get a trihydroxy compound. So as we know that if the carbon containing 3 OH group, the molecule is unstable, so there is a loss of water molecule to become a stable. So in this case we get a final product as a carboxylic RCOOH. So we get a carboxylic acid. So these are the method of preparation of carboxylic acid from a different reactant.